Hello friends, today we are going to see how to construct trigonometry table, that is a table containing values of trigonometric functions, trigonometric ratios for some particular angles. So exactly we are going to find value of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta for particular angles from 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So how can we construct the table? Actually no need to remember anything. So first of all we can find values for sin theta. We can write numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide each number by 4. So what will be our divisions? Here division will be 0, here it will be 1 by 4, here it will be 1 by 2, here it will be 3 upon 4 and here it will be 1. So taking square root of each term we are getting values of sin theta, that is equal to sin 0 is equal to square root of 0 is 0, sin 30 square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is equal to square root of 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2, sine of 60 degree that is equal to root 3 by 2 and sine of 90 degree is equal to square root of 1, that is equal to 1. Now write it in reverse order, that is cos 0 is equal to 1 from here. So cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. Cos of 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2. Cos of 60 degree is 1 upon 2 and cos of 90 is 0. Just reverse the order of row containing sine values. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but what we can write for tan theta? Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2. So what it will be? 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2 is nothing but 1 upon 2 into 2 upon root 3. 2 get cancelled. So we are getting 1 upon root 3. Next value, tan of 45 degree. 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2. Numerator denominator are same. So division will be 1. Tan theta is equal to tan 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2, which is equal to root 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 1. Again 2 will be cancelled, so here it will be, and 1 upon 0 at the denominator, we are saying that it is not defined. Next value, sec theta. Now furthermore it will be more easy, as reciprocal of sine is cosec, reciprocal of cos is sec and reciprocal of tan is cot. So all values of sine, if we are taking reciprocal of values of sine, we are getting cosec. So reciprocal of 0 is not defined, reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. So cosec of 30 degree 2, cosec of 45 degree is equal to root 2, cosec of 60 degree is 2 upon root 3 and cosec of 90 degree is 1. Now sec is nothing but reciprocal of cos theta. So we are getting here 1, 2 upon root 3, then next root 2, then next 2 upon 1, that is equal to 2, and the last one 0, reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Now cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta. So reciprocal of 0 is not defined, reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3, reciprocal of 1 is 1, reciprocal of root 3 is 1 upon root 3, and last reciprocal of not defined is 0. So we got the whole table for trigonometric ratios for the values 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We can also say that 0 degree is nothing but 0 radians. So 30 degree is pi by 3 radians, 45 degree is pi by 4 radians, 60 degree is pi by, sorry, here it will be pi by 6 radians, 60 degrees pi by 3 radians and 90 degrees pi by 2 radians. So also we can say that sine of pi by 6 is nothing but 1 upon 2. So this is an equivalent system, radian 2 degree. So we are getting the whole table without memorizing or remembering any value from the above table.